guys, I'm back, and I'm going to show you again what the problem was. The problem was, as you could see here, that you could only put one of these motors in there. The other servo would not fit. The only way to get this thing to work properly is to cut this part in half, and then to separately connect this and this one with a screw in there, which is not going to be it's not going to be ideal, but at least it'll still work. And there's other ways that you could sort of tape these motors together. The screw is probably the best idea for now. But as you can see, I mean, the quality control is so bad that they couldn't even get this part right. So unfortunately, whoever made the Plen robot and decided to sell this kit online is kind of not so good. And well, this is the solution to the problem. Again, it's not a perfect solution, but it'll just have to do for now. See you in the next video.